Hello everyone, my name is Costas Papadopoulos and I'm an assistant professor in digital humanities and culture studies at Maastricht University. I've been involved in DariahTeach since the first phase of the project, both as a co-designer of the platform as well as content developer. In this short presentation, I'm going to talk to you about how the DariahTeach course Remaking Material Culture in 3D that I developed was used in the project-based course Creating Digital Collections, which I coordinate together with Susan Streitman at Maastricht University as part of the master's program Media Studies Digital Cultures. The course Creating Digital Collections is designed as a capstone project which brings together much of the skills and knowledge, theories and methods taught in previous courses, along with new competencies to design a specific type of web presence, that of a digital collection. Essentially, this course takes a project-based approach to learning, for which students have to develop a publicly accessible product that addresses a particular authentic challenge. This year, we planned and implemented a digital collection which spoke to the students' experience of the COVID-19 pandemic through individual objects that had particular meaning and value for them during quarantine. These objects were modeled in 3D and contextualized in thematic sub-collections by making use of multimodal narrative elements. Alongside the virtual classroom interaction and the typical secondary sources, the course Creating Digital Collections made use of the DariahTeach course Remaking Material Culture in 3D. It utilized particular units of the course to teach students the workflow for digitizing objects in 3 dimensions, from capturing and processing to publishing them online. Sections of these units were used in a flipped classroom setting in which material was assigned as reading and homework, and therefore students had to come to class prepared to further delve into 3D modeling by doing group exercises and responding to certain scenarios. The DariahTeach course includes text and multimedia, interactive exercises, quizzes, explanatory videos with voiceover, and step-by-step tutorials. There are also moments of reflection where participants are asked to reflect on particular examples and apply their knowledge to different case studies. Students seem to enjoy the multimodal and more playful and interactive elements of the course, such as the quizzes, the timelines, and stop-motion videos, because on the one hand they provided some variety to their learning, but also because they could self-check their understanding of the content. Students overwhelmingly highlighted that the DariahTeach content was particularly helpful for one of their formative assessments, which was a quiz that tested their knowledge of the method they were going to use to digitize in 3D their chosen objects. Interestingly enough, students also mentioned that DariahTeach provided another way to organize their studies by reading the assigned content when they were too tired for reading academic articles. As they said, in DariahTeach, 3 to 4 hours felt less exhausting, maybe because of the multimodality of the platform. Overall, the use of an open educational resource in the context of a project-based learning course seemed to have worked particularly well. Given that we could not meet in person, students did not have the chance to work collaboratively in the same space, but only on Slack and Zoom. They had to rely mostly on their own equipment and to a large extent improvise. And also, I could not oversee their digitization process and advise them accordingly. Therefore, the DariahTeach course compensated for these limitations to a certain extent, of course, by providing them with a self-paced, multimodal way to familiarize themselves with the method, provide moments for self-evaluation and reflection, as well as scenarios and case studies to apply their newly developed skills. In such a way, DariahTeach did not work as an add-on, but as an essential element of the curriculum, an element that we do not plan to abandon in the post-COVID classroom. Thank you.